So boom, let me tell y'all something. If it's not HD lace, I don't want it. I don't care what nobody said. I don't want it no more. Look at this freaking flawless unit. And like, I had to stop myself. I said, wait, is this body wave hair? Look how thick this straight hair unit is. Like, y'all, this is giving life. So today's unit is from Unice Hair. Okay, I do have their 24-inch straight HD lace frontal wig. This is a 13x4. She is 150% in density. And baby, this hair came out of the box soft and silky. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. So fast forward, like I said in the first clip, I did go ahead and pluck the knots. I bleached the knots as well, and I washed and conditioned the hair because, of course, if you bleach the knots, you just gotta go ahead and do, you know, the wash routine. So I'm just straightening up the middle part. This unit comes with the middle part, which I'm happy about because y'all know I'll be having problems with keeping stuff centered. So if you struggle like me, Unice got your back because they went ahead and put a part in the unit, which I'm proud of. So we're just gonna go in with a pair of sheared scissors, whatever you have, eyebrow razor, and we're just gonna remove the extra lace that is dangling below our face. But y'all, look how this HD unit is melting. That's what I'm saying. If it's not HD, I do not want it, okay? I don't. Using the Erika J Glueless holding spray grip, we're gonna try this out today. I'm excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray some on my hairline. Y'all, this product smells super good. I don't know what she did, but she did the dang thing. The only thing I don't really like about this product is the spray, like the nozzle. If it came out in like a mist type of vibe, like how the 𝚃𝚑𝚒𝚘 sprays and stuff like that came out, sis, this would have been 100% perfect. That's the only thing that I don't like about it. But this product, you guys must try this. When I tell you guys no white crusty hairline, no caking, no product buildup. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm not even gonna, y'all, I swear by this product. This was my first time using it in this video too, so y'all see that I'm putting my head all kinds of way because this product is runny, but head, you're gonna see that wig line dissipate. Like, I kid you not. Like, what lace? Like, you can't tell me nothing. Look how good this looks, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the sides as well, and I'm just gonna take my blow dryer and we're gonna blow that into place. Like I said, it doesn't matter with this product if you use hot or cold heat. I swear I used both and neither one caked up or turned white or got hard. Y'all, this hairline looks flawless. Oh my gosh. That looks like it's just pouring from my scalp. Like, you can't tell me nothing, okay? Now, I am going in with a little bit of cream foundation. There was areas that I seen, but I swear I should, like, watching this footage back, like, girl, I didn't even need to add that cream foundation to it because everything was flawless. But Y'all know sometimes I actually, this look good. Like, I shouldn't have did baby hairs. I shouldn't have did nothing. This should have been the end of the video, y'all. It should have been. But anyway, I'm going in with my Unice elastic band, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay this down. I usually keep my bands on for no less than 10 minutes, okay? So while that's melting, today I'm just gonna go in and show you guys a quick tip or trick. You probably already know it, you probably don't. Either way, I'm just gonna show you guys how to get the top of your unit flat if it's very thick in density and you don't wanna like go in and pluck it. So you're just taking sections at a time and you're just gonna put some wax on it. Wax thins down the hair. I'm telling you, I did this too good because it ended up too flat for my liking. But I'm saying if you guys are not big on, you know, volume towards the top, try this. Just part your hair in sections and use a hot comb on the highest heat and setting. And I'm telling you, baby, it's gonna smooth right on out. So using the 𝚘𝚗𝚝 Sleek Mist Heat Protector, we're gonna go ahead and straighten our hair. I'm using my 𝚃𝚗𝚒𝚑𝚑, I think that's how you say it, flat iron. And I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron the entire hair. So we're gonna take the band off, we're done, okay? I probably left it on for a little bit longer than I normally do, but look at this clean, crispy hairline. Nobody's coming for me, nobody can tell me nothing. You can't even tell me nothing. Like, I had to sit here and pause this because this looked like it was growing directly from my forehead. Like, baby, what? Now I'm doing some baby hairs. Now, I wasn't too pleased with these baby hairs. To this day, that weren't even, so I feel like I shouldn't even include this in the video, but I did because this is what I did this day. But I need to stop doing baby hairs, y'all. Y'all need to stop me, okay? Y'all need to tell me just to stop doing them, okay? Sometimes they just be doing too much, but I also like doing them too so you guys can see what it looks like when you're going into the hairline. And look at that. Y'all can't tell me that's not my real hair. Nobody can tell me that it's not my hair. It's not growing actually from my scalp. This is probably one of the best installs that I've done as far as seeing that line of demarcation. Like, normally I do the baby hairs to cover it up, but sis, where? Like, I didn't even need to do that. But anyway, y'all see me taking my little mini flat iron. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl these up today to help create my little swoops for my baby hairs. And I'm going in with the Erika J Liquid Melt. I guess it's, what is this? Is it like glueless? I forgot, y'all. But anyway, I'm just using that stuff to form, my baby hairs. And I love that product too, y'all. It doesn't give me that hard hold that Got To Be Glue would give me. This just makes it nice and soft, but also giving me that security that I need. And I just love the softer baby hair looks. It doesn't look hard and stuck down to my head. So y'all, try that product out too, y'all. So I'm just wrapping up the video, because this is pretty much going to be it. I'm just adding a little bit of bump to the top of the wig just to give it a little bit of oomph. I'm also going in and evening up the hair. I did put layers in the hair. You guys do not have to do that. I also put a little bumps underneath of it as well, because I just wanted something to frame my face, something loose. I was trying to go for, like, you know, the little Kim K vibes, how, you know, if the hair is straight but it still got a little volume or body to it. So that's pretty much what I was going for. But y'all, this hair is so bomb.com. Okay, like I said, I did have a little bit of shedding when I did go in and wash it for the first time. I only had shedding as well when I went into pluck it as well. As far as detangle, this is straight hair. I didn't experience that yet. I'm not saying that it's not going to tangle up on you at all, but during this present moment, I actually still had the hair in my head now, and I haven't experienced like tangles. The hair is straight, so it's silky, and it's, y'all, I haven't got no tangles, so I know that might be too good to be true, but it's just the reality of having this installed in so far. So y'all, I'm obsessed, okay? Obsessed is the word. Y'all know that's my favorite word. But when I say obsessed, a unit is bomb.com. So if you guys are interested in a bomb straight hair unit, I definitely would recommend Unice. Definitely this unit here is a winner in my book. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All information will be listed down in the description section below, along with the link to the hair. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and until my next one, you girls, see you later. Bye guys.